In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place point objects in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed a tiny, precise marker for measurements, reference locations, or to guide future geometry, a point object is perfect. It's lightweight, easy to place, and incredibly accurate when combined with AutoCAD's snapping tools. We'll keep this simple. Start by going to the command line and typing the word point, then confirm. Your cursor becomes ready to place a point. Move your mouse over the drawing and click exactly where you want that marker to live. That's it. The point is placed on the object or location you clicked. Because a point is just a single coordinate, there's no drag, no shape, and no extra options to wade through. One command, one click. If you find it hard to land on the exact spot you're aiming for, lean on the alignment tools. The snap cursor, often called object snap, helps the cursor lock onto meaningful locations. Make sure snapping is enabled, then choose the snap modes that suit what you're trying to mark. For example, turning on midpoint lets you place the point at the exact middle of a line segment, while nearest lets you drop it anywhere along an edge or curve without needing a specific feature. As you hover, watch for the small snap markers that appear under the cursor. They confirm what you're about to lock onto. When the correct marker shows up, click to place the point right there. Adjust your snap settings if the cursor keeps grabbing the wrong thing. You can temporarily disable a mode that's getting in your way, or enable one that better matches your goal. The idea is simple. Pick the snap that describes the location you want, hover until AutoCAD confirms it, then click once to commit. If snapping is off, your click will land exactly where the crosshair is, which can introduce small errors on complex drawings. Take a moment to pause over the object until you see the snap cue you want, then click deliberately. This little habit saves rework and ensures your points become trusted references later on. A quick tip: points can be tiny on screen, especially in a dense drawing. Zoom in to confirm you hit the right spot. If you're marking several areas, repeat the same command and click again wherever needed, keeping the same snapping approach for reliable, consistent placement. And that's all there is to it. Type point, click to place it, and use the snap cursor for clean alignment when precision matters. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.